We're just arriving in East London. A seized asset. It's a green 2012 Mini. Supposedly on this road. I've rung the bailiff and he's on his way to meet me there, so we might get there before him, I'm not sure. But yeah, we've got to look for it. Apparently it's on this road. Doesn't look like there's many areas for roadside parking. Might have to ring him and see if maybe it's in a little side turning or something. We are here. No worries, take care. I'm just going to... on board with just one strap on it. I'm gonna move away from here, find somewhere else to pull over, strap the rest down, take some photos of it. Right, I've pulled over down the road and strapped it down, so we're all secure again now. It's quite a nice little Mini, isn't it? It's like my little red one, but it is a Cooper S, but it's a diesel one. A little bit of dings here and there on the back of it, but yes, the Cooper SD, 2 years newer than my one as well. Mine's a 2010, it's 2012. But quite like this. Don't think mine's got that. Well, anyway, there it is, on board, strapped down, let's go off to the pound. Right, here we are. I've arrived at the pound to unload the Mini. I've already unstrapped it, found a spot for it to go in. Let's quickly get it off and get on to the next job. And there we go, she's down. So I will call that the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also for all your recovery needs, you know who to call. Bud Recovery. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks, see you next time.